Today I'm going to teach you how to get platinum status with American Airlines. If you're a frequent flyer, understanding the path to platinum status can unlock some serious travel perks, from complimentary upgrades to priority boarding. Let's walk through exactly what you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to a.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly, as you'll need access to your member dashboard to view all the status requirements and benefits available to you. After logging in, look for the AAdvantage tab at the top of the page and click on it. This is American Airlines Loyalty Program Hub, where all your miles, rewards, and status information live. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Benefits and Rewards. This section gives you a complete breakdown of what you can earn and how to earn it as a member. Now, scroll down the page until you see a section labeled AAdvantage Status Benefits. Here, click on Member Status. This will take you to a detailed page that outlines all the different tiers available within the AAdvantage program, from Gold to Executive Platinum. Keep scrolling down until you reach a section that says each status offers better benefits and how to get it. This is where things get specific. To achieve platinum status, you need to earn 75,000 loyalty points. These points are accumulated through flights, credit card spending, and other qualifying activities tied to your AAdvantage account. Next, click on Benefit Detail to see the full list of perks that come with platinum status. This is where you'll really see the value of reaching this tier. Under Key Benefits, you'll notice some standout perks. First, complimentary upgrades as early as 48 hours before departure, which means you could be flying in first or business class without paying extra. You'll also earn 60% more miles and loyalty points on eligible flights, helping you climb the status ladder even faster. Additionally, you get 2 free check bags plus priority handling, so your luggage gets tagged and delivered first. And at booking, you'll have access to complimentary preferred seats and main cabin extra seats, giving you more legroom and better positioning on the plane. Below the key benefits, you can explore even more perks. These are grouped into categories like better seats, travel benefits, and other benefits. Each section breaks down additional perks such as priority check-in, security lanes, and boarding, as well as access to exclusive customer service lines and same-day flight change options. So to sum it up, platinum status requires 75,000 loyalty points, and in return, you get a suite of benefits designed to make flying smoother, more comfortable, and more rewarding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.